In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the audio language in Apex Legends on Steam the right way, step by step. This is especially helpful if you want to hear the game in a different spoken language like Japanese or French, and the good news is, Steam handles the language pack download for you. So, if you've been wondering how to switch the voice language without getting stuck, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button if this tutorial helps you out, and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss the next guide. Alright, let's get started. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find Apex Legends in your game list. Once you see it, right-click on Apex Legends to open the options menu. From there, click on Properties. This is where Steam keeps all the settings for the game, including language options. When the Properties window opens, look for the Language tab. Click on that tab and you'll see a drop-down menu with the available languages. Now choose the language you want, such as Japanese or French. As soon as you select it, Steam will automatically begin downloading the required language pack. This download is usually small, so it should not take too long, but the exact size can depend on the language and your connection speed. While Steam is downloading, just let it finish completely. Once the download is done, the next time you launch Apex Legends, the spoken dialogue should now be in the language you selected. If the change does not happen immediately, close the game fully and restart Steam if needed. Then launch Apex Legends again and check the audio. In most cases, the language change applies right away after the download finishes, but restarting can help make sure everything loads properly. One important thing to keep in mind is that changing the language in Steam may also affect other parts of the game, such as menus or subtitles, depending on how Apex Legends is configured for that language. So if you're only trying to change the audio, it's a good idea to test it after the update and see how it behaves on your setup. And that's it. You've now changed the language in Apex Legends on Steam. It only takes a couple of clicks, and once Steam finishes downloading the language pack, you're ready to play in your preferred language. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy gaming fixes and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.